It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, this is called Travessa de Mercado Municipal. You got a little lane. There's actually Mercado is like a market. We walk back a little bit. Little context where we are. It's like a beauty shop? Yeah, beauty. So this is going to be our target street. So let's go down this nice little tiny alley. Macau. So okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau, and let's just get right into it. We're gonna also show you the lyrics. So we created some music and I fit that up in AI, so that's there as well. And I think there's no more to be said for this particular video. I just want you to experience it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Walk and talk time. Checking out Macau. Okay. Very photogenic. So we are going to catch some other side streets as well. This is like a pedestrian alley with a lot of interesting shops. I think the rent is very affordable, but there's not a lot of through traffic in here. You kind of have to go up a little bit. But it creates these little quaint little shops. And some of them are kind of interesting. Like this one right here has flowers and then some of the details. Okay. So the name. Okay. So we're gonna walk all the way down it and we'll just capture whatever we can capture on the street. It is very photogenic. We just capture some of these window shops. There's a circle tattoo right there. Let me go across like this. But now I can see the circle tattoo shop. This corner one right there, and then this corner one there. We're gonna keep on walking down. We're still on our street here. Okay, let's see what else we got. Happy New Year. Neutral. Indonesian food right there. Okay. Semarang. It's the city of Semarang. Okay. Another window one there. Then down here we have there's a stage all the way down here, so there's a kind of a community restaurant. Okay, so let's just keep on going. So we're still on our target street. That's kind of an interesting street, except it's making the camera flicker. So many bright lights in there. Play-Doh laundry. Okay, that looks really photogenic right there with that building. And then that's the market, the yellow one straight ahead. But this is going to be a continuation of our street. Yeah, that's the Mercado. We'll come back to that. Let me just kind of... So this is kind of like a mid-level as it goes up to São Januário Hospital. That's the one that we just came down. So we are going to go down to the municipal market in a minute. We're going to go down this way first. It's kind of cool because the chicken will be in the market anyways. And we got some cats there as well. And we'll just go all the way up. And then we're going to go around to the left to the municipal market, which is the yellow building. And this would be the end of this particular street right here. All right. So before we go down, that's the street that we were just on. So that's the Travessa do Mercado Municipal. So we're going to go down to where the market is at now. And I think we're on Felina Street, I think. Felina is like climb. So now we're on Colina, Enrique de Macedo. And then here's the municipal market. So the lane above it was connected to this one right here. 1939. Looks like it's closed at the moment, but we'll just walk in a little bit. And at least you get an idea. There's some shoe. So that's the municipal market right there. I think we can go in there with the camera. Before we do, this is really photogenic in the evening as the lights come on. Okay, so let's go into the municipal market. And I think it's evening time, so I think it's closed. And some of it is open. So you get fresh everything in here. Vegetables, meat. It's really clean. It was different before, and then I think it was during COVID when they cleaned it up quite a bit. And you know, I think they have an intention to make it the kind of a tourist attraction a little bit, maybe. Okay. So we walked down the lane, which is about 1 block that way, and then we're just gonna end it right here. So another slice of Macau for you. There we go. That looks really nice.
Come on now, come on. I gotta go, 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 go.